How to fix restore license not working on PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this episode, I'm gonna let you guys know or to show you the procedure to fix restore license not working on PS5. So to fix this issue, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open up your device and then you could see multiple options in the top of the page. So click on the gear icon from the top, and next thing you want to scroll down when you are in the settings page and go to users and account. When you go to users and account, you could find multiple options. Underneath, you want to go to linked services. As you've done it, so now next thing what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on others underneath. And when you go to others, you'll be able to find these two different options. So go to console sharing and offline page. When you do it, so you will be able to find this sort of page. So click on enable, and once you've enabled it, so go back to the same page, that is users and account settings, and click on restore license. Once done, you want to go ahead and click on the restore button one more time, and this way you should be able to fix your restore license not working on PS5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.